Welcome to NYNJPA Weather, your severe weather source for the Northern Mid-Atlantic. This is the weekend discussion for July 8th, and I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and we have a lot to talk about this afternoon. This is the water vapor satellite picture as of 1:30 p.m. this afternoon, and as you can see, there is quite a bit of rain developing over parts of southwestern Pennsylvania and West Virginia. That is heading right towards our neck of the woods, basically the Philadelphia, New York City metropolitan area, this afternoon. Now, we have a warm front that is moving through the New York City metropolitan area, and we have showers and thunderstorms starting to break out throughout all of southeastern Pennsylvania and much of New Jersey. The air mass to the south of this warm front is becoming rapidly unstable and is significantly moisture saturated. So what does that mean? Well, it means we're going to see a lot of rainfall. The area of low pressure over central Pennsylvania is going to move towards the New York City metropolitan area. And what that's going to do is going to create a tremendous amount of lifting. So not only are we going to have to deal with strong to severe thunderstorms this afternoon and into the evening hours, but we're also going to have to deal with very heavy rainfall. The latest NAM model guidance, which is somewhat of a mesoscale model, produced as much as 6 inches of rain over many locations throughout New Jersey and eastern Pennsylvania. Is that going to happen widespread? Probably not, but the point is that these thunderstorms are going to be able to tap into a tremendous amount of moisture, and because of that, very heavy rainfall is going to be able to develop, and in some locations where those thunderstorms train, well, a lot of rainfall is going to be able to fall. So watch out for flash flooding this afternoon and this evening. The good news is that all this rainfall is going to happen this afternoon into tonight, which means the weekend starts to clear out. This is the GFS model guidance for tomorrow afternoon from the Penn State EWAL website. Before I go forward here, I know that there's a lot of people going to the Yankee game for Derek Jeter's 3,000th hit. I would be very careful about going to that game tonight. There is going to be a very good chance that you're going to be waiting quite a long time before the first pitch of that baseball game. It looks like there's going to be quite a bit of rain impacting that baseball game tonight. Now, as for tomorrow, the cold front moves off the coast. High pressure over the Great Lakes builds into the northern mid-Atlantic. Now, we're going to watch out for a weak trough producing a few isolated showers tomorrow morning. But other than that, dry air will build into the region, and as a result, skies will start to clear and pleasant weather conditions will return by tomorrow afternoon. And tomorrow evening is going to be absolutely perfect. Clear skies, low humidity, and temperatures falling into the upper 50s to mid 60s. Perfect weather conditions for early July. Now, high pressure is going to be in control for the rest of the weekend, but the next chance for showers and thunderstorms will be on Tuesday afternoon as another cold front moves through the region. Now, this time, the air mass ahead of this cold front is not going to be as moisture saturated nor as dynamic, so I really don't expect much in the way of a widespread severe weather threat with this cold front, but clearly that's going to be our next chance for showers and thunderstorms for the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. Then high pressure returns once again from the Great Lakes with excellent weather conditions heading into the second part of next week. And as you can see, high pressure will be in control by Wednesday evening throughout the entire northern mid-Atlantic and really from Maine all the way down to North Carolina. So expect excellent weather conditions to end next week, and that will continue on into next weekend. So to wrap this up, basically we got a very heavy rain event with the potential for some severe thunderstorms tonight into early tomorrow morning. These thunderstorms will be capable of very strong wind gusts, frequent lightning, heavy downpours again, and potentially some hail. But I think the most significant impacts will be the heavy rainfall and the strong winds. Once that low pressure system exits tonight, high pressure will build in for the rest of the weekend with excellent weather conditions. Then the next threat for rain will be on Tuesday with another passing cold front, and then high pressure is in control once again throughout the rest of next week. As far as temperatures, look for temperatures to remain pretty much in place, basically in the mid 80s to lower 90s. Towards the end of the period, I lowered temperatures just a little bit to take into account of a more Canadian air mass, but even then, the air mass rapidly modifies and we head back up into the lower 90s towards the end of next week. As far as humidity, well, that's going to bounce around depending on the position of your high pressure system. When your high pressure system is to the west and to the northwest of you, low humidity can be expected, but once it moves off the coast, that humidity is going to come back and with a vengeance. Thank you for trusting in NYNJPA Weather as your severe weather source for the Northern Mid-Atlantic. You can keep on top of severe weather with NYNJPA Weather via Twitter, Facebook, Tumblr, and nynjpaweather.com. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Have an excellent weekend, and stay safe out there.